Today's video is on the top 3 best soil test kits. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Garden Tutor Soil pH Test Kit. Want to get your soil's pH right on the spot? If you're serious about growing healthy plants, you know how important soil pH is. It affects how well your plants absorb nutrients, how strong their roots grow, and ultimately, how healthy they become. But testing your soil shouldn't be complicated or time-consuming. With this fast and accurate soil testing kit, you can get reliable results in just 60 seconds. Whether you're growing in soil, compost, or hydroponics, this high-precision test kit gives you the exact readings you need without any hassle. What makes it even better? It has an AI-powered web reader that instantly analyzes the colors of your test strip, providing you with precise digital pH results. No more guessing. Traditional test kits require you to compare colors manually, which can be tricky, especially under different lighting. But with this AI reader, you get an accurate result every time. Just use the included color chart and AI reader template to scan your strip, and you'll get a clear digital reading in seconds. The complete kit comes with everything you need to test your soil with confidence. It includes 100 test strips, a detailed color chart, the AI reader template, a handy guidebook, and even an online pH calculator to help you track and adjust your pH levels over time. No matter what type of growing medium you use, this kit has you covered. It works on all types of soil, including compost, hydroponic systems, and even soilless growing mediums like cocoa coir. This makes it perfect for organic gardeners, greenhouse growers, and anyone growing plants indoors or in specialized conditions. Why is all this important? Because soil pH directly affects how well plants absorb essential nutrients. If your pH is too high or too low, your plants can struggle to take in the nutrients they need, leading to slow growth, weak roots, and poor yields. By monitoring and adjusting your soil's pH, you can improve nutrient absorption, encourage strong root development, and promote overall plant health. It's ideal for vegetable gardens, flower beds, lawns, landscape projects, and even specialty crops that require precise pH control. Best of all, there are no batteries, no calibration, and no complicated digital meters to worry about. This easy-to-use kit gives you science-backed, accurate results in a compact, simple setup. Trusted by over 100,000 gardeners, it delivers reliable, repeatable results that lead to healthier plants and bigger yields. Tap subscribe faster than you'd grab a soil test kit after planting your favorite veggies. Number 2, best overall, MySoil Soil Test Kit. Want a lush, thriving lawn and garden? The secret starts beneath the surface. Healthy plants don't just depend on sunlight and water, they need the right balance of nutrients in the soil. But how do you know what your soil is missing? That's where this professional soil test kit comes in. It gives you accurate, science-backed results so you can grow a stronger, healthier, and more sustainable landscape without all the guesswork. Unlike at-home pH meters and test strips that provide limited and often inaccurate readings, this kit offers a comprehensive lab analysis of your soil. It measures 13 key nutrients, including nitrogen and pH, to give you a detailed report on what your plants are getting from the soil. Simply collect a sample, mail it in using the prepaid envelope, and within 6 to 8 days, you'll receive professional results that take the mystery out of soil health. No matter what you're growing, this test has you covered. Whether you have a lawn that needs thickening, a vegetable garden that's underperforming, flowers that won't bloom, or trees that seem stressed, this kit helps diagnose the exact needs of your soil. It even works for specialized growing conditions like composting, hydroponics, and soilless media, making it perfect for all gardeners, beginners, and experts alike. Think about how much time and money goes into fertilizers, soil conditioners, and other products. What if you didn't need half of them? With this test, you'll get clear, customized recommendations on exactly what nutrients to add, how much to use, and when to apply them. You won't have to waste money on unnecessary products, and more importantly, You'll avoid overloading your soil with chemicals that might do more harm than good. Whether you prefer organic or non-organic solutions, this kit helps you make informed choices to create the healthiest environment for your plants. Everything you need is included for a smooth and simple experience. The kit comes with a single-use soil sample collection tool, easy-to-follow instructions, and a prepaid mailing envelope to send your sample to the lab. So why guess when you can know for sure? Take control of your soil health and grow the best plants possible with this fast, accurate, and easy-to-use professional soil test kit. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. 4-in-1 Soil Test Kit. Want to take the guesswork out of gardening and ensure your plants thrive? The 4-in-1 Soil Test Kit is here to help. With its upgraded features, this all-in-one tool allows you to easily test the moisture, pH, light levels, and fertility of your soil. Unlike traditional soil testers that only measure moisture, this multi-function meter provides a complete analysis of your soil's condition, making it much easier for you to control watering, light exposure, and fertilization. With this tool, you can take the mystery out of plant care and make smarter decisions to keep your garden healthy and flourishing. When it comes to reliable and accurate results, this soil pH tester doesn't disappoint. It's designed with a high-quality single probe that's built to last for the long haul. Plus, it's gentle on plant roots, minimizing any potential damage when you insert it into the soil. It ensures accurate and instant results every time, so you can quickly adjust your plant care routine for the best possible outcomes. One of the best features of this 4-in-1 plant water meter is how easy it is to read. The large, clear dial makes it simple to interpret the results at a glance, so you don't have to waste time guessing. Whether you're checking the moisture levels in your vegetable garden, testing the pH in your lawn, or analyzing the light levels in your indoor houseplants, this tool can handle it all. Its compact and portable design makes it a great fit for any space, whether it's a small indoor garden, a large outdoor farm, or a cozy lawn. It's versatile and perfect for both indoor and outdoor gardening. Another great benefit of this tester is that it doesn't require any batteries. That means you don't have to worry about running out of power in the middle of testing. It's battery-free and incredibly easy to use. Simply choose the function you want, insert the probe into the soil, make sure it's more than 4 inches deep, and within seconds, you'll have your test results. No complicated setup is required. Just plug it into the soil and you're good to go. After use, just wipe the probe clean and store it until your next testing session. Ready to get started on your gardening journey? With the 4-in-1 Soil Test Kit, you'll have everything you need to keep your plants happy, healthy, and growing strong. Don't leave your plant care to chance. Take control with this easy-to-use, reliable soil tester. Your plants will thank you. Just a quick reminder, this 4-in-1 soil tester is designed specifically for soil, so it should not be used to test water or any other liquids. It's your go-to tool for all things soil, making plant care a breeze. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.